So today we are discussing about the object and classes. Object and classes are nothing but an main major pillars that are used in the object-oriented programming languages. Actually, what is an object and classes? Object is nothing but an instance of an class, and class is nothing but an collection of an object. So now you observe the difference here. Object is depend on the class, and class is also depend on the object. What it means exactly? So let's discuss one by one, so you clearly understand the difference between object and classes. Okay, now first of all, object. It is the piece of code which represent the real life entity. Suppose if you take an example of an car, obviously car consisting some attributes and functionality. Attributes are nothing but color, speed, etc. Means what is the color of car, how much speed it is, that are related to the car. And get speed and get fuel, that functionality also related to the car. Okay, now for color and speed you call it as the variables or the data members, and for get speed and get fuel you call it as the method or the function. Now we will see the exact meaning of definition of an object. Okay, what is the definition? It is the piece of code which represent the real life entity. It means that these all real life entities are present in the object. Real life entities consisting of an attributes like color, speed, functionalities like get speed and get fuel. Means that all real life entities, color, speed, get speed, get fuel, these all real life entities are present in the object. That is an meaning of an object. Okay, now moving towards the class. What is class? Class is consisting of an collection of an objects. But why we say collection of an object? So let's discuss. Here class student is there. Class consisting of some roll number, marks, name, then get detail method, put detail method is there. We will discuss this class in the program. Okay, here class student is there. Having class student has an some attributes like name, roll number, marks, total, percentage, and get detail method, put detail method. Means that these are the attributes and the functions are present in the class student, and so this all you call it as the specification of an object. So once you declared in the class, you can reuse this object, and this is encapsulated in the object. So that's the reason class is called as the collection of an object, and this class is called whenever you are declaring this object. This student is nothing but an class, and this yesterday is nothing but an object. Whenever when you call this object, means whenever you create this object, all the specification of an object will be called in the yesterday. Means that whenever you require all this specification, you just call the class name with object name, then all the specification of an object will be called in the object. That is an meaning of an object. So now we will execute the program. Name like Mansi, then roll number 1, marks like 47. Here you can see what we gave as an input, that will be printed as an output. It means that due to this object, all the specification of an object will be called in yesterday, and that's the reason what we gave as an input, that will be printed in the output. Okay, so now we will take another example, so you clearly understand the difference between class and object. Here in the class, car class is there, and having the object BMW, Maruti, and the Hyundai. Car class is there. Class is a structure where we can define variables and the method to utilize by an object. Means that car is just a structure, means just a blueprint, and object like BMW, Maruti, and the Hyundai come from the blueprint of the car. Means that all the car companies will use the variables present in the blueprint of the car, variables and the methods in the blueprint of the car and made the BMW, Maruti and the Hyundai. In other words, we can say that without the class, object doesn't exist. Means that without the blueprint of the car, you can't implement the BMW, Maruti or the Hyundai. Before creating and different versions, first car has to be developed. From that, they acquire the properties of that car. They added some more features and releases the different versions of one car. Means that without the blueprint of the car, we can't create an BMW, Maruti and the Hyundai. Okay, and in other words, without an object, class may be exist, but with an static feature. Means that if we don't have an BMW, Maruti and the Hyundai, no problem. Still we have a car of a static function. Means that we have an just blueprint of a car, and we can add the some more features and we can create the BMW, Maruti and the Hyundai. That is a difference between class and object. So now in second example, fruit class is there having the object orange, apples and the grapes. Without the blueprint of the fruits, orange, apple and the grape doesn't exist. That is the main difference between class and object. So now we will see difference between classes and object. Okay, class is a data type where the object is an instance of one class. Okay, second, class can generate the object. Class can generate the object, whereas the object gives the life to the class. Here you can see the difference. Class can generate the object, whereas the object gives the life to the class. And in third, class does not occupy the memory location, and whereas the object occupy the memory location. Means while doing the programming, class cannot occupy the memory location, whereas the object occupy the memory location. And class is not available in the memory. That's the reason class cannot be manipulated. But object can be manipulated because object occupy the memory location. That is the difference between class and object. Hope you understand. Thank you.